To view the saved error in a Siemens washing machine, you must execute the following combination. With the appliance off, hold the start button and turn the programmer one position counterclockwise. In this case, the error is E34. Siemens washing machine error code E34F34 indicates that the door is not locked or closed properly.